in beautiful Laos and we are so happy to be here. It is already so peaceful and such a change from Vietnam, which is kind of cool, just not so hectic. We also are super happy to be here because this is the first country that we've been to where we have no plans past tonight. We have a place to stay tonight, and then tomorrow morning we have no idea where we're going to be, and we're just going to wing it for the next few weeks.
We're going to the waterfall, and I guess there's bears here.
I don't know if I trust that fence.
I definitely don't.
So it is 5 a.m. in Luang Prabang, and every morning at sunrise there is an almsgiving ceremony where monks go around and typically locals give them sustenance for the day. We didn't do enough research to know if it was appropriate or not for us to participate. Tourists can participate, but we just didn't know what the level of appropriateness was for that, so we are just going to observe. But I think it's going to be a really nice ceremony. This bridge is built by locals every year right after the rainy season, and then they take it down during the dry season. And the bamboo that they use can be reused 3 times, which is pretty cool, and it just connects to the village on the other side. It's a pretty sturdy bridge, but I kind of expected it to be a little bit more sturdy, if I'm being honest.
Workmanship without nails? For the most part, just rope and bamboo. Pretty cool. We left Luang Prabang this morning, and we are now in Nong
Kia.
Yeah. Still working on the language.
We took a 4-hour bus ride. It ended up actually being only 3 hours, so I guess our driver was speedy quick, which is nice.
It was rough. I
was
know
bumpy.
exactly why it was quick. Today we're going trekking, and we're gonna go see 4 remote villages.
So we're at our second village today. It's a Hmong village, so like Chinese descent, and it is so nice. It's really peaceful. There's so many kids. They're super cute.
Just chasing us down the street.
And now we give them some candy and they're just best friends with us now, just chasing us around. It's really funny. This is the first time where we have given fruit snacks to kids, and in return, they insist on giving us a gift. These kiddos were chasing us around and they gave us berries and dried tamarind. Their generosity really demonstrated the kindness of the Lao people and what makes this place so special. So we have been in Mung Noi for the last few days and it is absolute heaven on earth. We had no expectations when we got here. We honestly didn't even have a place booked, so we just showed up. Some person took us, said, oh, I have a bungalow. And we were like, oh crap, it's gonna be way out of our budget, a bungalow. It's $11 a night. We were super excited when we got in here because it is way bigger than we thought. It's super nice. The windows don't close, but they have screens on them so critters can't get in. The bed is the comfiest bed that we have been on in like over 3 weeks at least. And we have our own bathroom. Super simple. It has a little tiny electric hot water heater that like sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, but that's okay because we're literally in the middle of nowhere, so the electricity doesn't work most of the time anyways, which is great for us. We like it. And that's literally it. There's really not much to it, but it's perfect, and we kept extending our stay here because we liked it so much, and we're sad to leave today. Today we are going to Luang Namtha. Yesterday Mike was struggling with some pretty bad food poisoning, so my day was just running around Nong Kia looking for anything that resembled electrolytes or crackers, and today he thinks he's good enough for a 7-hour bumpy road, so
Fingers crossed. Starting to feel a little bit better since my food poisoning, and we're gonna go for a bit of a bike ride around Luang Namtha.
Did you put it all in your mouth?
Hey, just first and then this bit.
Oh my god! Oh my god!